I'm about to do a couple of TV appearances here, talking about summer fun, Americana, things like that. So I wanted to show you just a really fun little design. We'll show you here a little preview of it. This is what we're going to be making. It's just kind of a fun Americana pedestal. So what we start with is we're going to start with 10 11-inch balloons, inflate it to about 8.5 inches each. Okay, and so we're going to start with a couple of quints. So I have here a set of 3, a set of 2, a duplet, and a triplet. I'm going to twist them together, and then I'm going to take another set of 5. This one is white, as you can tell, and I'm going to twist both of these together, just like so. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of manipulate these and put them down, just like so. Okay, until we kind of have them flat. And the reason that we're doing this ball of 10 is so that what it's going to give us is this nice deep little pocket here. And there. Okay, and now we're taking a 646. As you can see, it is inflated almost all the way, but not quite. We left a pretty good little nub there. And we're going to take the nozzle side, and here I have a water weight, which of course is 2 11-inch balloons, double stuffed. Inflated to, until it rolls out to my palm. These are really durable. I've given it to my 11-year-old and had him throw them in the street to see what they could take. And yeah, as long as you double stuff it, right? You see we've got 2 balloons in there. Okay, so now this is one of the most important parts of it, and that is we're going to take this and we're going to tie it to the nozzle of this, and we want to leave some good stretch on it, right? Because what we're going to be doing is putting it down in this. So I'm just going to tie those together, like so. Okay, and then I'm simply going to just kind of stretch it in there. And then you see this is going to kind of go up like this. And this is the simplest one that I'm showing you here. You can embellish it by, adding curly cues or, whatever. Okay, now for the top, because we don't want the top to be as heavy, we want to have the 5 balloon base for the bottom because it just makes it sit better. But for the top, we're only going to do quads. So I have my duplet, my other duplet. I'm going to make my quad. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually holding onto this little nub here, and I'm wrapping this in, and I'm going to tie it. See, I'm actually tying it onto it. And notice that I'm using the blue balloon to hold, and I'm really doing the work with the nozzle. Well, except now. But the first one I was. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing with the red. Again, we're going to kind of keep holding that piece of balloon as if it was a string. And actually, I need to get a piece of the, I'm going to use one of the other nozzles as well, just to kind of figure 8 it in and make it nice and tight. Just like so, okay? So now we have this. So I'm going to take the Milo balloons. Now, we're going to pretend for a minute, just for sake of simplicity, for this video that I am not in California, because technically having them grouped together like this in California is a no-no. What should be happening is that each and every one is put in here and then brought down and tied onto that weight so that they're individually anchored. So just for a moment, just for the sake of doing this fast for the video, let's pretend that we are in Nevada. So we're going to take it and either run each and every one down and then tie it into the anchor, or in this case I'm just going to really figure 8 it, and then I am going to just take this and kind of run it down to the bottom. And I just want to make sure that, this is an indoor, obviously I'm in a TV studio, it's not going anywhere, but I just want to make sure that it's pretty solid in there. So I'm going to go ahead and tie it as well. Alright, and here we have our Americana little stand-up pedestal. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's probably too tall there. There we go. If you did, make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure you leave me a comment, tell me other things that you want to learn. Make sure that you share this video and that you tell everyone you know to subscribe, and everyone they know should subscribe, and then go to Amazon and buy my books. So, until next time,